Hi, I'm Geraldine from Active Affirmations with Heart Connection, and today I'm going to talk to you about the affirmation I am safe. So just to give you a little bit of background, as I was growing up as a child and also into my adulthood, I didn't actually feel safe. I didn't feel safe physically, but mostly I didn't feel safe emotionally. So I had lots of negative self-talk, a lot of self-hatred, didn't really have a lot of nice things in my mind to say about myself. So when I started exploring affirmations and came across the affirmation I am safe, and started saying that, it didn't really mean very much to me. So it was easy for me to say it on a conscious level, but I knew in my heart and on a subconscious level that that wasn't true for me. So a lot of people can just say affirmations. So they're positive statements. They remind us to think about things and to perhaps change our consciousness just for a moment. But ultimately, if you are suffering from anxiety or depression or overthinking and have negative thoughts in your mind, they will keep coming back. So what we want to do is be able to look at how can we actually feel safe, so that when we say the affirmation, it does actually mean something. So the first thing that I do is we want to drop our shoulders. So as long as we're dropping our shoulders, we're not activating the adrenal stress response. The adrenal stress response, the first thing that we do when we get triggered into stress or anxiety or any type of pain, even physical pain, is we tense up our muscles. So tensing up our muscles means that we're activating the limbic system and we're activating our stress response. Our heart rate increases, our digestive system shuts down. There's a whole range of physical things that happen to our body when we're in adrenal stress. When we're in adrenal stress, we do not feel safe, whether that be physical or emotional. So the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is just drop your shoulders and breathe into your stomach. So just take a deep breath in and into your stomach and drop those shoulders even more. You can start to feel that your body is starting to relax and your mind is calming. Now, if you have very busy mind, we're going to just keep doing that. So we just keep dropping our shoulders, breathing into our stomach, and this is when we say the affirmation, I am safe. Right now, I'm just sitting here and I feel safe. So we'll just do that again. So just drop your shoulders, breathe into your stomach, and just say the affirmation, I am safe. Now, the other way to cement the affirmation into our subconscious is to own it. So we want to say, I, Geraldine Zadkiel, know that with all that I am, I feel safe. Now, what this does is it tells the subconscious that we want to use all of our senses to feel safe. So we want to know that we feel safe inside and without, even if it's just for this one moment right now. So just do that again. Drop our shoulders, breathe into our stomach, and we say, I, Geraldine Zadkiel, and you insert your own name, know with all that I am safe. And that just starts to feel better already. So I encourage you to start this practice and do it at least 2 or 3 times a day and see if you notice a difference. Just with this one affirmation, I will be presenting more affirmations as the weeks go on. So just if you'd like to receive the affirmations, just go to my website, heartconnection.com.au. You can join up there and you'll have access to some free meditations. So with every affirmation, I'll be doing a meditation to go with that. And I'll also be doing some podcasts that will be posted up there at some point. So go to www.heartconnection.com.au. And you can also find Active Affirmations Facebook group, where that will be an interactive Facebook group as well that you can join. And I look forward to connecting with you soon. Have a great day.